Hi, it's Shane. So, just want to give a quick overview of when I'm installing Visual Studio on my development machine at work. I got a new machine, going with the community edition because we don't really dive into all this kind of technology here. So, I'm definitely like a research guy, and so here are all the little components I install because I intend to touch all of them. Okay, so right here, this is where you get your .NET Core, ASP.NET, Azure development in the cloud as a must. I'm excited about this Python development because I started doing a online course on machine language. So, like, I have the technical skills. Let's put the math and business calculations in my brain, and it seemed like I could be more versatile as a developer there. I don't foresee right now building any more like desktop applications, but I always include it because I haven't figured out why. I always include it because this was part of my history. You know, I used to be a VB programmer back in the day, VB 6.0. I don't do C++. I'm not writing any C++ anytime soon. Not even in my background. I mean, I did a few classes in college on it, but yeah, not really. Definitely universal Windows platform development, and that's kind of why I would still deal with desktop application as far as what if I'm working for a company that requires those skills. So I want to know how to do it, even though currently I'm not required to, you know. Mobile development, absolutely. Unity game development, absolutely. And all of these are C++. I'm out. I'm not touching those. But for people who have more of the C++ background, they would probably include those. Now these other tools section, and I'm not sure why it is cross-platform here. I feel it should be up here with the others, but this is definitely an in. Always Visual Studio extensions development. Because this says data science and analytical application, I think I'm eventually going to get there as far as what is Visual Studio and .NET's presentation to this space. I haven't really gotten into it, but I've always included. Yes, and I'm super excited about Office and SharePoint development, but mostly Office, Excel, because it's such a big tool for analysis. You know, a lot of people know Excel, and early in my career, I used to work at a company that would do a bunch of number crunching and insert those values into Excel, and the company really made millions of dollars just cultivating these models for pharmaceutical forecasting. And so I'm looking at machine language and any sort of forecasting that the end result is to present the data in an office, maybe Excel and then these other things. So that's why I find it very interesting. And based on that, we're gonna slide on over here. Boom. And I install the whole shebang. So, thanks for letting me share with you what my crazy world looks like. Hey, if you found this video very helpful, click the like button below, and please don't be shy to subscribe to Nerd House Geeks. We are constantly updating this channel with new and interesting content. If it's more convenient for you to see us on Facebook, please like our page, and when we have updates, we put them on Facebook, and you'll be informed there as well too. And to the entire LinkedIn community, thank you very much for your support. We also have a company page out there that you can follow, and we'll keep content updated there as well. So thank you very much.